Hey everyone, whether you're overseas planning to visit Jamaica in 2025 or you're living right here on the island and want to explore more, I've got four amazing spots you definitely need to check out. From quiet beaches to exciting adventures and rich culture, this list has a little bit of everything. So buckle up, grab a red stripe, and come with me as we explore four must visit locations in the beautiful country of Jamaica.
Keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
First up is Port Antonio, or as we call it, Porty. Now, it's a hidden gem on the northeast coast, full of charm and natural beauty. It's not crowded as some touristy spot, and everywhere you look around, it's a perfect picture. As we say, it's the prettiest parish in Jamaica. You have to check out Frenchman Cove, a cool river running into the sea on the white sand beach. Real paradise, isn't it? Then there's the Blue Lagoon, about 180 feet deep, and the water changed color from turquoise to deep blue. Some people have it to say that it's bottomless, but me not sure about that. And listen, if you love food, Boston Jerk Center is the spot. This is the birthplace of jerk. The smoke, the spice, the flavor, and mad vibes. Grab some jerk chicken, some jerk pork, or roast breadfruit, and you'll see why people come from all over the world to try it. Back in the day, Porty was a getaway spot for stars like Earl Flynn and Grace Kelly. Today, it still holds the vintage charm, but with a nice modern twist. And guess what? It doesn't break the bank. Next, we're heading south to Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, or as the locals say, in St. Bess. Now, this place has a whole different kind of vibe. It's all about peace, community, and good Jamaican living. No big hotels here, just long, quiet beaches, cozy guest house, and some of the nicest people you will ever meet. Most folks here are farmers or fishermen. When I go there, I normally stop at Jack Sprat and get some fish or pizza. And they also have some ital dish too, right by the sea. And hear this, the Pelican Bar. A wooden bar out in the ocean on stilts. You have to take a boat ride, but when you get there, you can chill with a drink and soak in the vibes. The sunset, trust me, unforgettable. If you want somewhere chill, real, and full of heart, Treasure Beach is the place for you. Now, we head north to Ocho Rios, or Ochi as we call it. If you're looking for action, adventure, and things to do, this is the spot. You can't reach Ochi and not climb the Dunn's River Falls. The cool water rushing down the rock steps and everyone holding hands and climbing together, pure fun and pure vibes. Then you have to check out the Mystic Mountain, zip lining through the forest, or you can take a ride on the bobsled like our Olympic team. Whole heap of excitement. You want to explore underground? Well, the Green Grotto Caves is the place. Limestone running over 1,500 meters and even a hidden lake. Back in the day, runaway slaves and smugglers used them. The entrance fee, you might ask? Only $20 for adults and $10 for kids. For the locals, it's just $1,000 for adults and $500 for the kids, and you have to bring ID. Next up, we have Dolphin Cove. You can swim with the dolphins, touch stingrays, or ride on a mini boat. The general admission is only $50 and $45 for kids. The admission plus includes more animal fun, and that's around $75. But you can book online and pay a discounted fee. Now let's swing back to the south, to Lover's Leap in St. Elizabeth. This place is in the hills, 1,700 feet above sea level. On a clear day, you can see all the way to Cuba. But what makes this place really special is the story. Two enslaved lovers who didn't want to separate jump off a cliff together. Sad but powerful, it's a story of love and bravery. Today, the views up there are breathtaking. You can check out the lighthouse, eat at the Clifftop restaurant, and just take in the peace and beauty. So tell me guys, which one of these 4 are you planning to check out in 2025? Or maybe, like me, you want to visit them all? Drop your pic in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little island escape. More vibes coming soon. Driving tours, local food, and hidden gems. Stay blessed, stay safe, and as I always say, see you again on another Let's Go JA Tours.